be teaching you, how to do a Kermit voice impression. So the first thing is you're going to want to just use your normal voice tone. I'll tell you what to do with your voice and your tongue and everything in your mouth in a second. But so you're just going to want to use your normal voice tone. And basically you don't need to go super high or super low. Sometimes you can go high if Kermit's excited or something. This is a Kermit voice, mind you, just so you know. So basically, the first thing is use your normal voice tone. 1 second, I'm getting a call. Hello? Oh, okay. Okay, bye. Okay, so Kermit has some breaking news for us. He has some important news, so let's go over it and see what he has to do. Over to you, Kermit. Breaking news! Everyone is subscribing to Double Kermit on YouTube, so, yeah, viewers at home, you should subscribe to him on YouTube. And also like his videos because everyone in the craze is liking and subscribing to him. So yeah, do that. Anyways, that's all for me. Bye! Thank you, Kermit. Yes, please subscribe, if you are brand new to this channel, or if you watched my last one and this one, like these videos, and please subscribe if you enjoy my channel so far. Anyways, so use your regular voice tone, and then if Kermit is happy, like yay, then you can use a higher voice tone. So just use your regular voice tone, and then move your tongue to the back of your throat, so like this. So you're not gonna sound like Kermit. You're gonna sound kind of weird. And then, so combining that, you're going to want to go like, see how this part is moving up? It may look a bit weird, but that part is moving up. Make sure that is happening. Like, for instance, if you're using a camera, you can go like this, and then move your tongue to the back of your throat and make sure this part is going up. And so, just like that, then you just, talk in your normal voice. So, hi, go Kermit Frog here, and then you got the Kermit voice. Then if he's happy, yay! So then, all together with the puppet, it's gonna look good, okay? So, hi, go Kermit Frog here, yay! You learned the Kermit voice, or not, I don't know, but you probably did. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. See you probably tomorrow when I do another video. Bye!